In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Evernote effectively. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, this guide will enhance your productivity and streamline your note-taking experience. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about designing your workspace with Home. Home is your personalized dashboard where you can curate the tools and notes that are most important to you. Imagine tailoring a workspace that perfectly matches your workflow. That's exactly what Home offers. You can begin by adding and rearranging widgets. Widgets like filtered notes allow you to surface notes that meet specific criteria, while scratch pads let you jot down quick thoughts without the formality of creating a full note. Pinned notes can be especially handy, giving you quick access to the notes you refer to most. Personalization doesn't stop there. Evernote allows you to change the look and feel of your Home dashboard. You can experiment by changing background images and tweaking widget styles until your workspace feels just right. This customization means your Evernote experience is not just functional, but also visually appealing, catered specifically to your taste. Now, let's move on to a fantastic time-saving technique: using templates. Templates are pre-designed layouts that provide structure to your notes. Imagine no longer staring at a blank page trying to organize your thoughts. Templates are here to guide you. Whether you need a meeting agenda or a project plan, built-in templates can serve as a starting point. What's even more exciting is Evernote's revamped templates experience of 2025. This update has made creating, saving, and accessing your favorite templates smoother and faster than ever before. To make the most out of templates, consider creating your own. If you often find yourself taking similar types of notes, personalize a template that meets your unique needs. Once you have designed a template, you can save it in Evernote's template library, making it readily accessible the next time you need it. This proactive organization will save you time and effort, keeping you focused on what truly matters. So, to recap, start by designing your own workspace with Home. Add, rearrange, and personalize as needed, making your workspace both functional and visually pleasing. Then, embrace the power of templates to streamline your note-taking. Use built-in templates or unleash your creativity by designing your own, tapping into the new 2025 features for an optimized experience. By incorporating these strategies, you'll find that using Evernote becomes more intuitive, allowing you to work smarter and more efficiently. I hope you found these tips helpful. Feel free to explore these features, and don't forget to customize your experience further. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, stay organized and productive with Evernote.